What are the things you need to consider before investing? According to Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, if you want to be an investor, you need to consider the 3 E's in investing. These are education, experience, and excess cash. We will start with the first E, education. Of the 3 E's, education is the easiest thing to do. Why? Because in most cases, it is given for free. Before we will invest, we have to educate ourselves regarding investing or any financial literacy available online or offline. This is the main reason why the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer because of lack of education. The investors use financial vocabulary even in their cash flow conversation, but we normally use the vocabulary in our field. If you are a teacher, most probably you are using the vocabulary of a teacher. If you are a doctor, you use the vocabulary of a doctor. Because of lack of financial vocabulary, people can be easily deceived by individuals or companies. For example, when an agent or a broker will tell you that your car or house is an asset, my question is it really an asset? Can we call them an asset? As explained by Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, an asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. As simple as that. Now let's go back to your house or car. Does it put money into your pocket? If you are paying for a rent of the house, bills like electricity, water, or internet, then the answer to the question is, it is not an asset. It is a liability. Then whose asset is the house or the car? It is the bank's asset. Let's go to the second E, experience. Experience is very self-explanatory. There are different kinds of investment vehicles that let you try or engage first on their investment using virtual money. In this sense, you will not lose your real money. Stocks and foreign exchange investment vehicles offer this kind of experience for you. Then the last E, excess cash. This is not just extra cash, but an excess cash. This is the amount of cash or money that you are willing to risk. In other words, this amount of money is not intended for emergency purposes, insurance, or for any other purpose. So before we will invest, we have to remember the 3 E's in investing: education, experience, and excess cash. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos from the Living Reality. Happy investing!